Hey all you BlackBerry users, Todd here from NiceBlackberry.com. Today I'm going to demo a new release that we've just pushed out. It's called Know It All. This is available for all BlackBerries running operating system 4.6, 4.7, 5.0, and OS 6. I am going to demo this on my 9700 running OS 5. We have demo videos also on a 9800 running OS 6, a Storm 9530 running OS 5, and a Bold running OS 4.6. So that'll give you a look on various devices. This is available for all newer model Blackberries. So let's show you what we've got. Again, this is on my 9700. As you'll see right now, there's nothing displayed on the screen. Everything's in hidden view. I'm hovering over top of the profiles icon, noted by the maroon. Push it, and you'll go ahead and you can go down and find set any of your profiles. From there, you can go up to the banner and you can push it to basically show the hidden icon screen. There's 18 icons on the 9700, 9600 series, and 8900, and then also the 9000 series. So that's what you have there. Go ahead and hit escape, and the escape key, and that will that'll take that out of view. You can hover over top of the time, and that will give you the clock. You can hover over top of the message notification area, and that will give you your first today preview. And then you can go over top of the magnifying glass. That's going to open up your search, where you can search your device for various things, whatever you set it at. And then you can go up and go around, obviously, to all of the things in the banner. Also, what's available is hotkeys. So what you can do is basically go Alt-T, and that's going to open up your first today screen, where you get 3 messages, 3 new emails, 3 text messages. Escape out of that, go Alt-Y. That's going to open up your second today screen, which you get missed calls and calendars. So you get 3 missed calls and 3 calendars. On the missed calls, you can hover over top of any of them, and the individual call, hit the trackpad, and it's going to open up a little mini menu where you can call that person back if you have them in. You can call that person back, email that person if they're in your address book, text message them, what have you. So that's that, and then you can obviously hover over top of any of these to to kind of show you, or to look at any of them. So that's what you get there, and then like I said, escape will get rid of that, and then finally you go Alt-I, and that's going to open up your icon menu. So you can go and set up any of your icons you want in here. These are all user configured, so set them up in any order you want, and you get 18 of them. So that's what you've got there. Alt-S is going to open up your search, so you don't have to you don't have to hover all over top of the banner to get to the things you need to get to. We just put it in there because some people like to have access that way, but to break it down, probably the easiest way, obviously, Alt-T brings up your first today screen, where you've got 3 new emails and 3 text messages. Alt-Y brings up today screen 2, where you get 3 missed calls and 3 calendar entries. Alt-I brings up your icon screen, where you have 18 icons. Alt-S brings up your search. So those are all your your keypad shortcuts, and then, like I said, you can obviously go through if you'd like, and you can hover over top of any of them. It's dependent on what you want. It is wallpaper friendly, so feel free to set any of your wallpapers. And if I go into the media folder, we'll see if we can find a little wallpaper to set. To kind of show you what it is. Let me go down to samples. We'll grab this one. This is a nice light one. So let me go ahead and hover over top of that. Let me set it as wallpaper. Let me end that out. Go back to the screen. Okay, there's what the wallpaper looks like without any icons or today screens. And as you can see, as you hover over top of the top banner stuff, you can still see everything really well. We've chosen a great color for highlighting on dark or light wallpapers. And then here's what your screens will look like. Alt-T for the first today screen. There's your messages, text messages. Escape will get rid of that. Alt-T. will go ahead and show you your missed calls, and then you can go Alt-I, and that'll open up your icon screen. You don't need to dismiss any of these screens. They'll open as you go from one to the other. It'll close. So I'm on the icon screen. If I hit Alt-Y right now, it's going to go ahead and hang on a second. Let me ignore this call just a second. Okay, basically what it's going to do is it's going to close the one screen and open up another. So there's my second Today screen. There's my first Today screen. As you can see, it just closes everything out. It closes everything out as you open the various screens. So you can bounce from screen to screen without having to close it out, and you can leave one up for as long as you want. So the icon screen, it'll stay there until you hit the escape key. And then basically you can just show your wallpaper by hitting the escape key. Nothing shows on the screen. So that's what you've got. This is demoed on the 9700. Go ahead and check it out on all of our other devices. You can get it at niceblackberry.com. Thanks much for watching. We'll see you guys again soon.